Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore? Huh?
That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Please, for the love of God, stop drinking. You're gonna drink us out of house and home.
Olive, I have to tell you something. You're adopted.
Help! Mother, please, I'm gonna die. I see God. Death awaits. Guys, help, I think my cat is broken.
Teaching my cat tricks. Ignore my hand. Smart boy.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Oh yeah, belly rub. Belly rub. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
Honey, can we show how we give high fives? Are you happy about giving the high five?
Got a new type of cat litter. This is how it went.
Oh, wow, you can't even really see it. You like it, Indiana? It seems to not go as much everywhere. Let's see how it is.
You okay, boy?
What?
No, oh God, yes. So I heard if you give your animal
an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh.
Hey, Uno, you want some catnip? He's like, give me that catnip. Here you go.
Yes, a very happy kitty.
All right, sir, I think you've had enough. Give me that. Oh. Oh. He's like, I'm not done yet, though.
Rest in peace. Bye, get a box. Wake up. Oh.
Yep.